In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to monday.com 2026 tutorial for file management and collaboration. First, open your monday.com account and head into the workspace and board where your team tracks tasks. Make sure you have permission to edit the board. If you can add or rearrange columns, you're good to go. Uploading works best with a dedicated files column, because each row or item can then hold its own attachments right where the work happens. To create that, look to the far right of your columns and click the small plus icon to add a new column. From the column picker, choose Files. This instantly adds a Files column to your board. Drag the column to a prominent spot so your team can find it quickly. Now, pick the item that needs a document, image, or any other asset. In the New Files column, click the empty cell that lines up with that item. For this walkthrough, select From Computer. Your system's file chooser opens, so navigate to the file you want, select it, and confirm. You can add multiple files to the same item. A thumbnail or file counter appears as each one finishes. Once it's in, click the file bubble to preview or download. Keep file names clear and consistent so teammates instantly know what they're looking at. If you're collaborating, mention teammates in the Items Updates panel to give context about what changed and why you attached the file. That way, the discussion and the document live together. A few quick tips. Large files can take a bit to process, so give uploads time to finish before you close the board. Wait for the checkmark that indicates completion, especially on a slower connection. You can also drag and drop a file onto the empty cell as a shortcut. It lands in the same place and behaves the same way. If you ever need to reorganize, you can rename the item or move it to another group. The attachments stay with the item so nothing gets lost. And that's it. You've opened your workspace, added a files column, clicked the right cell, and uploaded your document straight from your computer. With files attached directly to items, your team can find context, collaborate faster, and keep work moving without digging through inboxes